Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. This video, I am going to talk why you should give first preference vote in a single transferable vote STV on 3rd December 2021, Friday, and 4th December 2021. Third, we have a voting at 14 locations, and it is 12-hour time, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. On these 2 days, we have 193 booths in 132 locations in 3 states, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa, and 1 union territories, Daman, Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Earlier we had 2 union territories, but on 26th January 2019, these 2 were merged, reorganized. Now, I'll divide my address into 3 parts: past, present and future. Like in anything, we talk about that. So, why I am eligible for a first preference single transferable vote on the basis of past? I qualified in May 83 with 6th rank in final CA and 1st rank in May 81 in inter CA. Started my practice from 1st July 1984. And from the day I began the practice, I formed the Kalba Devi Study Circle, the area in which I was having the office, till 1991 when I entered Western India Regional Council. And each study circle meeting, there was the distribution of study material, vibrant discussion. That point of time, we did not have this technology which we are using today. So there were cyclo-style notes, 100% sharing of the knowledge. And since 1991 to 1997, for 6 years, I was in the Western India Regional Council. 91, I was Secretary of Western India Regional Council, and 97, I was the Chairman of Western India Regional Council. When the person has a position, has a power, but all 6 years I worked as a de facto chairman, organizing various programs, carrying out various activities, making representation. But in 97, when I was the chairman, there was a total history rewritten. More than 1,000 programs, more than 100 study circles opened. You know, each district of these 3 states, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa, we started a forum to discuss technical subjects. You know, today we have 36 districts in Maharashtra, 33 districts in Gujarat. And Goa, we have 4 places, you know, Mapsa, Vasco, Panji, Madgaon. So, and there is a distance. So we started activities here. We did a lot of publications, interaction with each stakeholders, like the trustees of the hostels where students were studying, the trade bodies in our Western India Regional Council geographical location, with the schools, colleges, government, each department of these 3 state government, and it was an activity full of vibration, full of benefit, all subjects, you know, like which were never discussed in the professional forum: central excise, customs, foreign trade policy, all laws, business laws, because there are about 20 business laws where, you know, chartered accountants are eligible in tribunal. Tribunal is a quasi judicial body. So, and then of course, we received the Best Region Award. So the self-development programs were done in numerous. So this is then this is the only part of the past. Then 98, I entered the council. In German general terminology, we call it a central council because we have a regional council. So for 18 years, 6 terms, I was a council member, and president forms the committee because the council delegates this power to the president. So I used to request every president, please give me new committee. There are 40 committees, and as we become senior, we had 2 committees, 3 committees. So I have added almost all committees and did the activities as a full-time employee, though I am an elected council member, but 95% to 97% of my time used to go to the council activities. More than 10 plus certificate programs, more than 100 publications. I remember when I was a chairman of Professional Development Committee, visited all central ministries with a subject matter, what a chartered accountant can do in your ministry, our ministry. Then, so this is my work in those 24 years, 18 years of Central Council and 6 years of Regional Council. The mentorship to the members, students. Now, in last 6 years, my activities continue, though I was not a council member, but encouraging students to pass that, because every student is capable of passing the exam. Every member has a capability to become a global practitioner, encouraging them to write book and things like that. Now I come to why, my 36 page manifesto, each one of you must have received. And so this is by a post I have sent to everyone. But if you have not received it, please visit my website, ca.drrajkumaradukia.com. And I have put my election manifesto there. And the activities which I have listed in I will discuss some of them, why I want to go for my 7th term in the Central Council for the 3 years, 2022 to 2024, and what is the fire in my belly to work for the institute, to work for the students, to work for the members. So I have made an acronym SPI, CGP, ERU, TWS, SCGHF. So I'll elaborate. So SPI is student, professionals, and institute. Student, I have been a student learning many courses, and in last 6 years, I may have acquired more than 20 courses because it's my passion. So if we explain the concept to a student, like if the foundation is very strong, we can create 200-story building, maybe 300-story building. So our focus when we test a student is what is their understanding, how they can apply it. So it is a myth that exam is the toughest exam of the world. And we do not. So a lot of reforms I wish to do, and we want more and more students to do chartered accountancy, because at a global level, there are 30 lakhs chartered accountants. International Federation of Accountants, we have about 180 plus bodies from 135 countries. We are total 192 countries. That means still 60 countries are not having the accounting body. So we should make an attempt in that direction. The second is each member, we are 330,000 members at a country level. We should be a global practitioner. We should, one of the agenda is a soft skills for students, for members, for each employee. I would like to call them team member, mastermind who are striving the ICAI. So the use of social media, I have coined the word FIT, LBW, PQI, OBA. So Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, blog, website, Quora, podcast, YouTube, online platform, each member writing the books, writing art, they have an immense capability. So institute should focus on what they can do, how we can reach out to the society. Our code of ethics should enable use of social media freely. There is a difference in marketing and advertising. Marketing, if we look at the scientific meaning of marketing, it is to find out the need of the users. We as a chartered accountant, we are CPA, complete business advisor. We can bring the economy to 10 trillion in another 2 years, 2024. We need not wait till 2030. So that is my mission for the member. When I see the member striving for the work or not having employment, I feel perhaps a mentoring to the member and mentoring to the students who are not passing the exam, taking more attempts is required. Third major goal is the institute. Institute is a big elephant, with our spread in every district of the country. We have 28 states and 8 union territories and 670 plus districts. So we can be vibrant organizations. Universe has made our income also reasonable. We have made 250 crore profit last year, but whether as a service providing entity, non-commercial entity, that means our services should have been more or our receipts should have been less. Then this is SPI and another is GCP. GCP means our services to the government. We have a state government, we have a local government, and we have a central government. So each state government, how they can increase their revenue, we have to reach out to them. Each Jila Parishad, we have to reach out. Each municipal entities which we have to reach out, municipal council, municipal corporations. Then the each central government, we have 53 ministries, how we can assist them, how their policies can be better, because government functions through ministries. And then GCP, P is for planet, for the world. There are 192 countries. The World Economic Forum, WEF, was started by one single economist. And the whole world is attending the World Economic Forum. ICI with 3 lakh plus members has a representations, in IFEC, CAPA, SAFA. Why can't be a world think tank for the whole world for 192 countries? So that is my another agenda. Then the electoral reforms. I was part of the council when we put a cap of 3 terms. I feel this cap need to be removed because there should be more members who are experienced. Like, I, as more years are passing by, I know what more can be done. Having worked in all committees, having worked at the regional council level, having worked at various central ministries, the state government, one can contribute, because ICI role is more of guidance in the policies. Members' role is to earn more money to provide services. The student role is to become a better professional, to pass the exam. Then number of female members is increasing. We have about 30% female. So like in a company, we have a woman director. We can have a separate seat for the women members. Some states, we do not have a seat, like a state like Goa. So this is the electoral reforms, and we can have a 5-year term instead of current 3-year term, because a lot of time gets spent, when there is a election. Then our role to regulators, we have 50 plus regulators like SEBI, IRDA, Competition Commission of India, PFRDA, the new 2 legislation which will come in the parliament session, Personal Data Protection Bill. There is a proposed to be a regulator under the PDP bill, things like that. There is a regulator under Consumer Protection Act. So then the 9th measure is unemployment. I feel we can be a virtual entrepreneurship mentor, VEM, like sometimes we call virtual CFO. Every human being, money is not required for all activities. So there are small entrepreneurship business activities which can be done by an individual depending on their passion, depending on their liking. There are technology. There is a book called Ikigai. Simon Sinek has written a book, Start with Why. So finding out each individual, what is the passion, what they like. Now I cover little fast because I don't want to make this video too lengthy, and though I want to cover all the points. TWS, so use of technology. We can be a global service provider. The whole world is one market. So using all platforms of social media, because 5 billion people, 500 crore out of 700 crore people use the social media. We can be in Facebook, LinkedIn, we can be a member of 6,000 groups, like how WhatsApp groups are there. And there are graphic designing platform like Canva and others where we can learn this. For women, we should have a, what work they can do from home, online work they can do as per their passion. Soft skills, TWS soft skill is a foundation. It's a pillar. So this is there, for the students. We have started GMCS, the students programs. Members also we do the program, but we need to focus more on soft skills. The public speaking, writing, emotional intelligence, intelligence quotient, attitude is altitude, how to achieve anything. All this is required. Soft skills are required. Then I have made SCG. We need more students. We want to have the economic progressing in geometric progression. Then C is a CEO. Every member in employment has a capability to be a chief executive officer, to take a corner cabin. G is a global practitioners. H is a human resources. Our population of 130 crore is an advantage. Human resource is more valuable than a Koinu diamond. because human resource, a human being has unlimited potentiality if it is tapped. And the last F is the future of chartered accountancy profession. Friends, believe me, I have made another video on past, present, and future of CA profession. Future of CA profession is sky height. The reasons are, like I have listed in my manifesto, 107 opportunities, but if we keep on expanding, it may go to 500 plus. So our traditional field, accounting, auditing, and taxation should be a byproduct. And the whole institute should gear up to mentor members how they can get specialized in various different services where there is a vacuum. The top is empty. So friends, respected members, I would request that on 3rd December and 4th December, before you vote, please browse through my manifesto for 5 minutes. You can see that on my website. You can talk to me. I have a great vision for the institute and passion and mission and fire in the belly. And therefore, I chose, many members requested me to go to the council for 7th term. We have a single transferable vote, STV, which is the best method of voting in the world, because by that method, the most capable human beings get elected. And it is a transferable vote. Like in Western region, we have to elect 11 members, not one member, 11 out of 23. 23 great individuals have volunteered their services for the council. Offering and volunteering requires a lot of confidence, a lot of courage. So I salute these 23 individuals, which include myself. One of them is myself. And give maximum preferences. And I personally feel that I'm competent and eligible for first preference vote, single transferable vote of yours. But for any reason, you are selecting one of my best friend out of 23 for the first preference vote. Give me one of the best single transferable vote. And you will see that when you are electing me, you will feel that you are getting elected to the council. Thank you for spending your time to listening to me. And please exercise your vote. Those who are voting by postal vote, I thank you them. The foreign members and within Western region, about 500 members. Share this video of mine with your CA friends who are in the Western region. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have a bright future. We are very optimistic and we will enjoy our life today and tomorrow. And past was excellent. We dance on our past. Thank you.